Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class of computer. Hope you all are safe at your home. Students, let's start reading our new chapter, that is chapter number 3, charts in Excel. So open your book, page number 27. Student, what is a chart? A chart is a pictorial representation of data in a worksheet. You can create chart from worksheet very easily and find answer to questions like who has obtained the highest marks from the chart. This is an example of a chart. This is a chart. This is a chart of sales. This chart is showing the sales. Components of a chart. Let us discuss the different components of a chart. First is chart area. It is the largest area that is covering the complete chart area. This complete chart area. All the other components like legend, chart titles and plot area are element inside the chart area. This is chart title, this is legend. All the other elements are included within chart area. Now what is chart? I have told you earlier, chart is a pictorial representation of data. Now plot area. Plot area is the second largest element of the chart. Plot area means the area in which chart is created. Chart title. Chart title is the main title of a chart. Now student, using this chart, I'll explain the components of a chart. This total area is called chart area. Plot area, this drawn area is called plot area. Chart title is the main title of chart. This is your chart title, sales calls and unit solds. Now data series. Data series are the bars or values that show the data values. These bars, January, February, March, these are your data bars or data series. They show the data values. For example, March showing the data value 150. Now axis. In chart there are two axes. This is horizontal axis which is called category axis, and y axis is called vertical axis or value axis because we plot value against them. Legend. Legend depicts the color of the data series. This is legend. Sales calls. It is depicting the color of a data bars. Its color is blue, so legend color shows the color of a data bars. These are the different elements or parts of a chart. Next is types of chart. Student, different types of charts in Excel. First is your pie chart, column chart, bar chart, line chart, area chart and scatter chart. We will discuss these charts one by one. First is, what is a pie chart? Pie chart is a chart which shows the data or which represent the data in the form of a circle. This is an example of pie chart. It is used to display only one series of data. Next is column chart. This is an example of column chart. Here the long bars are shown in vertical axis. This is column chart and this is a bar chart. This is the major difference between bar chart and column chart. In bar chart, bars are drawn along horizontal axis, while in bar charts these data bars are drawn using vertical axis, y axis. Column chart. In column chart, display the category. Category I have told you earlier is the horizontal axis. This horizontal axis, Ashish, Arun, this is my category axis. Bars are drawn against them. And this is my value axis. 0, 15 marks are plotted against value axis. This is an example of column chart. This is legend, quarterly and half yearly. And this student marks is a chart title. This is an example of column chart. Next is your bar chart. A bar chart display category along vertical axis and values along horizontal axis. This is the main difference between bar chart and column chart. It looks like similar, but the difference between how values are plotted. Next is line chart. Student, this is an example of line chart. Line chart is effective in displaying trends over a period of time. This is example of line chart. In line chart, category data is distributed evenly along the horizontal axis. Value data is distributed evenly along the vertical axis. Next is area chart. Area chart are like line chart, except that area below the plot area is solid. Here this is solid area. Next is scatter chart. Student, you are seeing the chart is scattered, the dots are scattered. Scatter chart use horizontal and vertical axis to plot data points, and thus they are similar to line graphs. Both the axes display numerical values and show relationship between numbers and several data series. Scatter charts can have markers for the data points, or we can join some points. So students, what you have to do, you have to read pages from 27 to 30, and there is one quiz that you have to do on page number 31. Here you have to identify the chart type. So understand these topics. Thank you students.